What is up, everybody? This is again MZR Tomorrow channel or Showtime with MZ, and in today's video we will be reviewing and fitting up, I don't know how to say this in other words, I will be fitting up the MacBook Air case. So this just came here and we'll unbox it as well. We're wrapping and yeah. So let's start. I will leave this packaging actually. Now, here we have the first part, which I think we have to put on the top of it. Then we have second part, of course we'll have to put it under the box. Then we have this keyboard. I love this type of things a lot. So, also we have this documentation, quite interesting, and how to install it, and what colors they have, as well as what MacBooks does it support. So this supports every MacBook from 2012 to 2018. Okay. Also, how to install, you actually don't need to know because I will show it to you today. Okay. And here we have some additional thing with what we will simply, I think, we will just simply use it to do this. So, okay, now I already unboxed the things, and now we will set all the things up. Let's start from here. So clear your MacBook to remove any dust before installing the case. Okay, no problem, because we have this cool cleaner in here. I love this thing, really love. So, I guess so this is clean already, and now I'm ready to install anything that I want to. Okay, so we don't need the things in here anymore. Let's start from this side because I'm pretty interested in it. Here we will just simply put it right like this. Okay. So it's already installed one part, even though I do not want it to be installed. Okay. And it fits quite really well, and I really love it. But still, we have to open it so to make here my videos, by the way. So you have to hear the click thing, right? Okay, I guess here it is, and this way is already done. So as fast as you hear click, then it's all done. So here are 3, there are 2. Now let's move it like this, and let's install this part. I think you all understand that this part has to be here. So no worries, and here it is. Okay, already click. Very easy to install, and I really love it. Here it is, another click. So make sure that all clicks are already done. So here, click, one more click, and one more click. And now the last thing what we have to do is that we have to just put this gun here. Here it is. So yeah, you have to hear some sort of sound like click. So now it is done, and here comes my MacBook Air with the case, which is basically really cool. So thanks guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel to see more right there. Like, comment, and by the way, the link to this thing only costs, if I'm not mistaken, $15 or so. So the link is in the description below if you want to buy it. And yeah,